Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee pudding. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and butter a baking dish while you pit and chop dates. Soak dates in hot water with baking soda to soften them and bring a caramel depth to the base. Cream butter and sugar, add eggs, then fold in flour and the softened dates. Bake until a skewer comes out mostly clean and sauce is bubbly. Start by preparing everything for a smooth process. Have ingredients at hand and preheated oven ready. Soak dates in hot water with baking soda and let them cool slightly while you cream butter and sugar until pale. Beat in eggs one at a time, then alternate folding in sifted flour with any milk or buttermilk. Finish by stirring the softened dates evenly through the batter before transferring to your greased dish. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while baking. It keeps cold drinks cool and fits neatly beside your mixing bowl. I find it handy for sipping between steps without mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it makes baking breaks nicer. Now let's get back to the video. For the sauce, simmer brown sugar, butter, and heavy cream until smooth and slightly thickened, tasting for sweetness you like. When the pudding is baked, remove it from the oven and carefully spoon or pour hot toffee sauce over the surface so it soaks in. Let it rest for a few minutes so flavors meld, then warm another splash of sauce if serving with ice cream or custard for an extra indulgent finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.